for him to hear and speak.
God set his volumes to hear sonic booms and jet engines and loud construction work equipment. He cannot hear normal conversation. With a cochlear implant, we expect him to hear even smaller things like a pin drop. All the whispered love yous and all the times we spoke to him, it was on ears that couldn't work, couldn't send the message to him. Once the switch on was done, the first thing we did was a therapy and we got all the link sounds done. When we came back home, we started giving him environmental sounds, the doorbell, the mobile sounds, all the road sounds. In the afternoon, I put on this cooker and we were standing next to him. The cooker, Arav and I was carrying him and we were just staring at the cooker. One whistle, nothing happened. Two whistle, nothing happened. After the fourth and fifth whistle, when we were not actually looking at the cooker, he turned with full force and he started staring at the cooker as if to actually make relevance of that sound and the source of it. So this was next day of the switch on. We used to actually keep it on for 10, 14, 15 whistles, and no matter how the cooking is done, it used to be on. Just to see that every whistle that we give, he's giving a reaction to that. Even the smallest reaction given by Arav was like a joyous celebration. Once the switch on is done, the kid is first initially taught to hear. So the first 10-15 therapies, we were just telling him, conditioning him to start hearing. For the first 15 days, we just expected him for a ah or a oo, basic link sounds. Now, after 15-20 sessions, when the mapping has been done, he is actually able to get the entire 6 link sound range and a bit of intonations and changes in that. Now what happens is, every time we go for a therapy, there is a new sound that he is able to recognize.
हो, छोटा आवाज आला, मोठा आवाज. आई, घाबरले ना मी, घाबरली.
From being able to differentiate between two or more sounds, soft sounds and loud, trying to imitate sounds and obey simple commands, Arav fulfills all of the parameters of progress expected at this stage.
He is 20 months right now, but his hearing age is only 2 months. So what we would expect from a 2-month-old baby, that is the same level of expectation that we should be setting for a 2-month-old hearing child.
Try करतेस तू.
We expected him to be starting vocalization maybe 6 months later, which he's doing right now. It's a big bonus that we have seen. Imitating sounds, getting intonations. Even if I change the pattern in my voice or show a little bit of anger, he gets that. फोन कोणाचा आला होता? कोण बोलतंय?
Listen to the music and clap your hands, clap your hands. पहले जब भी वो यहाँ पे आया तो वो बहुत शर्मिला था एंड ही यूज्ड टू प्ले ऑल अलोन. पोस्ट ऑपरेशन उसका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इतना बढ़ गया है कि वो अभी सारे बच्चों में इतना अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाता है.
Arav before switch on and after switch on are completely different people. There's a huge personality difference that has happened in Arav. He's not submissive. He'll actually stand up for himself and ask for something. It's like a jigsaw puzzle starting to come together now. The lost pieces are coming back now. Implanting him at 17-18 months of age was definitely a bigger benefit, because even if it takes a year for him to get accustomed to sound around him, we still are in the range of speaking. So normal 3-year-old toddler should be speaking few syllables. So we may be able to reach maybe 80% of the target in 1 year. The sooner the better is the biggest benefit. As a parent of a CI kid, every week we are going for a speech therapy at least twice. Every day we are changing batteries, we are recharging batteries, we have to keep track of what he's hearing, what he's not hearing. Now that we are living with it, we understand that this is the best thing that has happened for him. So whatever pain, whatever problems that we are going right now are just a phase. Maybe 6 months from today we'll understand that this is a part of life. This is a new normal struggle that we are going in. And we are used to it. We are happy to go in for this.
आता त्याला जसं समजतं तसं तो इतका उड्या वगैरे मारतो, घरातून कंटिन्यू पळत असतो, ओरडत असतो. तर ते खालची लोक येतात, किती मुलगा आवाज करतो, काय बघा तुम्ही जरा सांभाळा.
Four-year-old Chinmay is at his sister Neha's dance class, impatient for his turn. Implanted at 2.5 years, his story illustrates once again the advantages of early intervention and parental commitment.
1 वर्षापर्यंत मला एकदम कन्फर्मली समजलं की बाबा आता याचं हिअरिंग लॉस आहे आणि आता याच्यासाठी आपल्याला सगळं मी कामधंदा सगळं बाजूला ठेवलं आणि आजपर्यंत पण मी फक्त त्याच्यासाठी सगळं हे करतो. जेवढ्या लहान वयात त्याचं ऑपरेशन केलं जाईल तेवढा जास्त त्याला बेनिफिट पुढे होईल. हा एकमेव मार्ग असल्यामुळे मी तो मार्ग निवडला. पहिल्यांदा एकतर काही बोलू शकत नव्हता, डोकं आपटायचं जोरजोरात, फार जोरजोरात डोकं आपटायचं आणि असं पूर्ण सगळं त्याचं काळं निळं व्हायचं, एवढ्या जोरात आपटायचं. ऑपरेशन जसं झालं आणि त्याच्या कानावर जसे शब्द पडायला लागले, त्याला जसं समजायला लागलं तसं त्याने डोकं आपटणं पूर्ण बंद केलं. आता 100% कधीच नाही डोकं आपटतात. मला कुतूहल होतं की बाबा काय त्याची रिॲक्शन असेल आणि तो काय करेल, त्याच्याबद्दल मला जास्त कुतूहल होतं की बाबा किती लवकर हा बोलेल आणि बाकीच्या नॉर्मल मुलांप्रमाणे वागेल. ते नाही आहे, ते मोठं आहे, मोठं हे छान आहे, हे मोठं आहे, बोललंय हा हे जग छान. हा स्प्रे पाहिजे चिनूला, स्प्रे कुठं आहे, इथं आहे, पाहिजे, हे नाही, हे पाहिजे, कुठं पाहिजे, ह्या काकांना नेऊया, त्या काकांना नेऊया.
नमो लोहे सव्वसाहुनम जय जय शंभवनाथ भगवान की.
सुरुवातीला एक एक शब्द बोलायचा आणि आता एक एक वाक्य बोलतो. त्याच्याबद्दल थोडंसं जास्त कुतूहल वाटतं की सायकलची चेन पडली तर पप्पा सायकलची चेन पडली, तू बसव. तो जसं जसं त्या गोष्टी करत गेला तसं मला अजून जास्त हुरूप गेला येत आला आणि मी त्याच्या पुढचं मी करत गेलो.
घरी जायचं आता, कशाने जायचं घरी?
बाईकवर जायचं.
बाईकवर जायचं, चला.
At 18 months post-implant, Chinmay has successfully moved on to the higher stages of comprehension and communication, understanding questions, using new words in short sentences, coping with background noise and unfamiliar settings.
काही प्रमाणात पूर्ण 100% होणार नाही मला पण माहिती आहे, पण एक 80% जरी झालं तरी सफिशियंट होईल असं मला वाटतं. बाकीच्या मुलांच्या पेक्षाही तो फार हुशार आहे आणि 100% समजतो, तो सगळं समजतो, पण बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न पण करतो. पण मला वाटतं आता थोडे दिवस झालेत, अजून थोडे दिवस होईल त्याचा.
Vinod Sawant is a toll supervisor at Talegaon on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. As he heads home after a night shift, his 6-year-old son Advait comes running at the sound of his bike. Implanted in March 2009, Advait symbolizes the full extent of the difference a CI can make in the life of a hearing-impaired child. In 3 years, Advait has crossed key milestones of listening, language, speech, communication, and behavioral skills.
अद्वैत, बाप्पाला फुलं घेऊन येतो का बाळा 4-5?
It has been a remarkable journey, one he almost didn't embark upon.
देवपूजा करताना घंटी वगैरे वाजते ना, तो कधीच बघत नव्हता, तो कधीच लक्षच देत नव्हता, नाही तर सगळी लहान मुलं वर बघतात. मग ते लक्षात आलं, पण आम्हाला विश्वास नव्हता वाटत की बाबा असं असं आपल्या घरात कोणच नाहीये. चांगले बोलायला येऊ दे. मी खूप अभ्यास करणार. पहिल्यांदा तर मला खूप रडायला आलं, म्हणजे एकदम असं आपल्या बाबतीत का झालं म्हणून. एक आधार मिळाला आम्हाला केम मध्ये आल्यामुळं. हिअरिंग मशीन लावले होते ना, त्याने काहीच फरक नव्हता झाला. ते जवळजवळ 7-8 महिने लावले होते त्याला, पण फरक नाही झाला. मग तिथून पुढे मग दवाखान्यात जाऊन असं लोकांशी चर्चा केली. मग पण पहिल्यांदा ज्यावेळेस आम्ही म्हणजे अमाऊंट ऐकली की 7 ते 8 लाख रुपये लागतात, तेव्हा पुन्हा भीती वाटली की आपण सर्वसामान्य माणसं आहेत ना, एवढे पैसे कुठून आणणार. त्या आजी तर बोलली की नकाच तुम्ही त्याच्या शाळेत घाला, कर्ण बधिरांच्या. पण मी म्हटलं नाही, एकच मुलगा, पण त्याला व्यवस्थित करायचं. आपलं कुणासाठी कमवतो आपण? मुलांसाठीच कमवतो. म्हणून म्हटलं की त्याला जेवढं काही खर्च येईल काही हो, तेवढा एकच बास आपल्याला, त्यालाच व्यवस्थित करायचं. आता ते जेवढं काही कष्ट झाले असते ना, काहीच वाटत नाही आम्हाला, कारण आता इतका चांगला बोलतो. कोण त्याला म्हणत पण नाही की तो असा आहे म्हणून, आणि आम्हाला सुद्धा वाटत नाही की त्याला ऐका येत नाही, काय नाही. नॉर्मल मुलांसारखंच एकदम.
Advait does well at school, initiates conversations even in unfamiliar milieus, and is confidence personified. He can easily qualify as the poster boy for cochlear implantation.
Advait! Papa, मी गाडी बनवत होती ना, मम्मी कपडे कापत होती ना, साडी, आणि मग ती गुई मारत होती ना, मग तिला नारला.
सांगू नको म्हणलं तर सांगतोय का?
तू काय करत होता? गाडी बनवत
पाणी उडतं बघ. छोटा टाक, उचलेल का? टाक टाक, लांब टाकायचं, जोरस. पाणी उडलं की नाही बघ कसा आवाज आला.
Despite its enormous life-changing potential, the cochlear implant option isn't common knowledge today, even though there are many centers in India, Big Ears being one of them, providing this opportunity. The high cost, approximately 7 lakh rupees for the implant device, related surgery, and year-long therapy, is offset by the quality of life provided to implantees.
If you invest, let's say, an X amount of money, and thereby you are sure that this child gets education in a mainstream school, thereby will get good employment opportunities, it is cost effective, because you are making your child, stand on her or his own 2 feet, which if you did not provide this device may not happen. Now you have studies that have been conducted in a lot of developed countries where they've actually proved, and they do measure medical devices with quality of life, and they've proved that secondary to a pacemaker, this is one of the most cost-effective devices.
While there is no criteria used to select candidates for CI, Big Ears' patient profile comprises families with average monthly earnings that are less than 5,000 rupees. Referrals to charitable trusts and donors are provided by the medical social worker. Waiting room counseling, where parents of implanted children share their experiences, is especially useful.
Anything that a medical professional says does not give it that much of a impact as another patient or another family that's gone through it.
पहिल्या दिवशी फक्त 500 रुपये आम्हाला फक्त म्हणजे चेक आला. तर संध्याकाळी आम्ही परत सगळे माझे भाऊ वगैरे आम्ही बसलो, माझे मावस भाऊ वगैरे. टेन्शन आलं, एका दिवसात फक्त 500 रुपये, तर आपल्याला 7 लाख मिळवायचे, बरोबर की नाही. खूप टेन्शन आलं, आता काय करायचं, म्हणजे 1% सुद्धा पैसा जमा नव्हता झाला, काय करायचं. मग आम्ही आम्हाला केममधनं 2-3 फोन नंबर दिले होते की ज्यांचे ऑपरेशन झालेत. मग अशांचे नंबर घेतले, आम्ही बोललो त्यांच्याशी. ते म्हणले काही टेन्शन घेऊ नका, थेंबा थेंबाने तळ साचतं. आणि मग त्यांच्याशी बोलल्यावर आम्हाला इतकं बरं वाटलं ना. आणि खरंच जेव्हा पैसे जमायला लागले ना तेव्हा खूप बरं वाटलं.
As of today, we've not sent any patient back because of funding.
रोली पोली तू कर बघ. रोली पोली रोली पोली. Up, up. Swish, swish.
The checklist of essential factors for the best possible outcomes for a CI is fairly simple and short. Early intervention, motivated families, realistic expectations, and regular therapy. The rewards? Calmer, confident, independent children who are fully integrated into mainstream activities at home, in school, and in society.
When we do tell a parent that the child has got deafness, especially if they're coming to us for the first visit, there is a feeling of shock. 95% of the time children who are deaf have normal hearing parents. And so why us? We don't have a problem. Nobody in our family has a problem. There must be something wrong. And it's very, very difficult for them to believe the diagnosis. So they tend to go clinic shopping or hopping, for searching for some miracles. First is disbelief, following which the course is acceptance. Okay, this has happened. Now what? And that's when, the process starts of intervention. Any child who's got severe to profound deafness, that is deafness above 90 decibels, may not really be getting enough benefit from a hearing aid. And they are the most likely candidates for a cochlear implantation.
The outcomes are best in people who come at an early stage. So if you have early intervention, that means you're diagnosing these children early, you're intervening early, whether that's a hearing assisted device like a hearing aid or whether it's a cochlear implant, obviously the results are going to be much better. The brain is extremely plastic when these children are really small. So it's actually medically called neural plasticity. And that's the reason why if you implant them really early, they pick up very early.
Their whole world changes when they have their hearing. When we see them in their pre-implant assessment process, the child doesn't show interest in communicating much. He is more physically active, and that's why the child tends to be more restless. He's not really used to, being sitting at one place and attending to you for so long. And these things slowly, as the hearing comes up, that's the major change in the behavior that we say. They become a little more calmer and quiet, and they tend to attend more. The parents come initially, they have high expectations. That's why we have to emphasize that pre-implant therapy is a must, wherein we take them through the counseling process to set realistic expectations.
सगळ्यांना वाटतं किंवा मुलगी म्हणजे बोलायला लागावी आपली. म्हटलं बोलायला जरी नाही लागली, तिला ऐकू जरी आलं, माझ्या डोक्यात